Order up, Carson.
Today I'm here in Greenacres, Washington at Duncan Produce to learn an important step in how Washington-grown food gets from farm to table. Casey Duncan, owner of Duncan Produce, gave us a peek into the world of food processing.
Here at the potato/vegetable processing plant where we do all kinds of fresh cut potatoes and other fresh cut produce.
So what does fresh mean exactly?
Fresh means it's cut fresh, it's not frozen. Better quality, better crisp taste. We use the best, which is what Russet Burbank. For the fresh stuff, it's the best. They're more consistent throughout the year for frying, so you don't get the limp French fries.
Yeah, we don't
want
want
a
that.
crisp fry.
Yeah, you do. Who grows these for you? Or?
I have a farmer, the Stall Farms.
Okay.
They're really good to us there in
We know
Washington.
the Stall Farms. So you know these are good potatoes then?
Yeah, nothing but the best.
That's right.
Casey took us on the tour, showing us exactly how potatoes and other products are prepared. First, potatoes go in a wash, clearing off dirt and debris. Once they've been cleaned, they're sorted by size. Big potatoes for French fries and smaller ones for other products like hash browns. From there, the potatoes go through a second wash and are peeled. Then it gets to the fun part, hand-cutting French fries.
Okay, what do I do?
Grab a potato,
Okay.
put it in straight.
Right there. Oh, look at you, Casey.
These guys haven't seen me cut fries in a while.
I'm not as fast as him, or you. So you get one really strong arm.
French fries have always been cut by hand at Duncan Produce. This method goes all the way back to the beginning.
My grandfather started in the late 60s cutting French fries in a restaurant in the basement. And he sold it to the restaurant upstairs. And he decided that other people would like that too, so he started to make more and more French fries and got himself a warehouse here in Spokane.
So he saw a need or a want for these hand-cut French fries.
Yeah.
It just grew from there.
Yeah, it's all local Washington potatoes.
Potatoes may have been how Duncan Produce got their start, but today, Casey and his crew process many different kinds of vegetables in many different ways.
We do a lot of carrots, cabbage, onions. After we process them, I sell to a lot of wholesale retailers that sell to the food service industry, and then they distribute all throughout the Northwest. A lot of the carrots and cabbage actually has been going to the grocery stores for over 30 years. If you look at the bag, or it's Rainbow by Duncan or Matchstick Carrots by Duncan.
When Casey isn't doing a bang-up job prepping Washington-grown foods for market, Casey's doing a bang-up job here working on his cars.
So this is your other job.
Yeah, my other business is a demo derby by Duncan. Something I took it from a hobby and I wanted to grow the sport, so I decided to be a promoter for demo derbies.
Demo derby? Well, I'm always up for an adventure. I guess I need some more practice.
You know, it's been fun, but I got to get back to my other job now.
Okay, I'm going to let you do that.
All right, you guys have a good one.
Are you sure this is going to make it?
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Safety first.